Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok beauty filter on video. You can use beauty filters on TikTok either by using the built-in retouch tool or by applying specific effects before or after recording video. Now to use the retouch tool, all you have to do is open the TikTok application, then tap on your plus icon on the bottom of your screen, and on the right side, on your right side toolbar, look for the icon that resembles a magic wand. As you can see, you can look for the icon that resembles a magic wand or a thermometer with lines. This is a retouch or enhance tool. Tap to see if you can make some adjustments, or what you can do is just simply tap on this beautify option. From here you should be able to change your facial smoothness, contrast, shape, and even enhance your lips or even tooth. And you can also use the makeup filter, which has built-in features like nature, pure, candy, glow, warm, and etc. And once you select on any of these options, all you have to do is go ahead and record your video, and these features will be applied to your video once you are done taking them. And that is how you can use this retouch filter, and that is how you can use this retouch feature or beauty feature on a video. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.